we go. So hello everyone and welcome. This is Aurora with Supercharged Math. Today we're going to dive into the world of algebra. So we're going to start with a quick review and then we're going to move on to some new content. If you're ready, give me a big old smile. I'm going to take you down to my desk. I have a handout. If you have it, that's great. If you don't, that's fine too. You just need a pencil and we are ready to roll. Give me a big smile so I know we are good and ready to go. Fantastic. Okay, here is your quick review. You ready? If I were to say to you, how would you put that to, oh, wait a minute. Forgot to re-zero the camera. How fun. Okay, can you put this together and combine terms? Can you do that for me? We always put the number first, okay? Go ahead and do that for me. All right, so the number comes out in front, so we have a 4, and then we always put the one that is closest to the A in the alphabet next, so that would be the X. How many X's do you see? 1, 2, 3. And how many Y's do you see? 1, 2. Good. This is where we left off last time. Okay, great. Let me try another one. What if I said 7x plus 4x minus 3? What would you do there? 7x plus 4x minus 3. Can we just say 7 plus 4 minus 3? Would that be, can I just say the answer is 8? No, we can't. Why not? Because there's an x here and an x there, but there's no x here. That's just a number. So what this is saying is if x is equal to 3, well, that's going to change what these are, 4 times 3 and 7 times 3. And then that's going to change this. So we have to combine like terms. So these are both x to, you can't see it, but x to the power of 1. And so I can add the 7 and the 4 to get an 11. And then we still put the x there. And then minus 3. This is like the distributive property, but in reverse. You can think about it like this. This is an x, 7 plus 4 minus 3. Same thing. So the x is multiplied by the 7. The x is multiplied by the 4, and that's where we get 7 plus 4 is 11, so this is 11x minus 3. All right, how are we feeling so far? Good review? Okay, let's keep reviewing so we are feeling good about this. 8x minus 2x plus 4 minus 1. Okay, go for it. You got 8-second head start. Let's see how you do. Okay, so these both have x's, so don't forget that minus sign. So the x is going to be 8 minus 2 plus, and then we have 4 minus 1, which is 3. This thing becomes a 6, so this is 6x plus 3. I'm writing this step out just for now while we're getting started so you can see it. But in general, you're just going to do that step in your head. Okay, and there's your final answer. All right, ready for another one? Okay, I'm going to put 2 of them on, and then you solve both of them. Okay, ready? 3x minus 10 plus 17. That's our first one. Our second one is 3 times quantity x plus 1 minus 2. All right, go, go, go. Okay, this one is going to have 2 steps in it. You're going to take the 3 times this, and then the 3 times that, and then do it. Okay, let's do the one at the top first. Neither of these have an x, so I'm just going to say this is 3x plus 10 minus 17. So the 17 is larger, so this is going to be plus 7. This one I'm going to do in 2 steps. This is 3x plus 3 minus 2. Which is 3x minus 1. All right, how are we doing? Put the look on your face how you're feeling about what we're doing. Doing okay? Okay, good. Questions. Make sure you put your questions in here. Oh, I got some. Never mind. That's fine. Good. Do you see where I got some answers don't match these? Are you guys seeing what happened? You're seeing what happened? Okay, good, good, good. Now let's try one that's a little bit different than the ones we've done so far. Okay, how do you do this one? Notice there's a negative out here. And especially when the problems get more complex, it's really easy to drop that minus sign. So make sure you take the whole thing and multiply it by that. And then the whole thing, let me use a different color, and multiply it by that whole thing. You see that? Okay, so minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times a minus 1. And then I'm just going to write plus x. This is the x here. Okay, so you're seeing how we got this? Minus 2 times x, minus 2 times minus 1. This becomes a positive 2 minus 2x plus x. Are you seeing now how to do it? Okay, so plus x minus 2, so plus 1 minus 2, that's a minus x plus 2. So one time I gave a problem like this and I said, don't write it down, just do it in your head. Like I wrote this on the back in the days with the chalkboard. More than half the students got it wrong. You tell me why. Why do you think more than half of my, college students got it wrong? It was because of this thing. Because they went too fast and they weren't doing all these steps out. I want you to write every single step out as we're going through, because this is where the mistakes come in. And then you got to redo it, and that takes time, and hey, we want to spend our time on the fun stuff. Okay, I'm going to give you 2, and you're going to give me answers. Good? Okay. So I have a 9 minus 3 times quantity 2x plus 4 plus 4x, and then this is the other one. Okay, repeat after me. Yuck. Okay, you're going to have 30 seconds. Go ahead and do as much as you can. And if you're totally lost, just wait and I will walk you through it. Okay, but go slow. Bailey, we can't combine the negative x and the positive 2 in the last one because they're different. The 2 doesn't have an x term with it. Good question, though. These are fun. Oh, good. Okay, keep working. Okay, is it Gianna? You've got a minus sign problem. Go back and check. SOL, you've got it, Sol? Okay, all right. Let me give this a try here. So I'm going to drop the 9 minus, okay, so this is a minus 3 times a positive 2. So minus 6x minus 3 times a plus 4 is minus 12. I'm sorry, yes, minus 12 plus 4x. Okay, so plus 4 minus 6, that's a minus 2. 9 minus 12. The 12 is bigger, so we use the negative sign. Here's the answer to the first one. How do you feel about that? Good? Okay, good. If you got, some of you had put positives for both of these, you've got to keep track of your negative signs. Don't lose those. We need those. All right, 2 times a minus 3x is negative 6x. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 6 times x is a minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 1 is a plus 6. Okay, so that's going to give me, I'll put it up here, minus 12x, because these are minus 6 times minus 6, the whole thing. And then I have plus 10 plus 6. Okay, so it's plus 16. All right, how are you doing on that? Okay, ask questions if you need help. Ask questions.